Y'all worship the Lord tonight. Amen. That's what we're here for.
Amen.
I stood in the courtroom. The judge turned my way. It looks like you're guilty. Now what do you say? I spoke up, Your Honor. I have no defense, but that's when mercy walked in. Mercy walked in and pleaded my case. Called to the stand, God's saving grace. The blood-washed presented that covered my sin, forgiven when mercy walked in. How many is thankful? Amen. Mercy walked in. Amen. I stood there in wonder. How could this be that someone so guilty I had just been set free? My chains were broken and I felt born again. Oh, the moment that mercy walked in. Well, mercy walked in and pleaded my case. Called to the stand.